Hey guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to go completely paperless on ADP. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website my.adp.com, then enter your user ID on the field provided. Once the user ID is entered, click on Next. Next, enter your account password on the second field. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for recommended actions at the lower right side of the screen. Click on Settings. Then, on this page, you will see a section for Go Paperless. Click on the option that says Go Paperless. A pop-up tab will then appear. There, you will see a toggle switch next to Pay Statements and Tax Statements. To go paperless, simply click the toggle switch beside the statement type you wish to switch to paperless delivery. Next, read and review the consent form to go paperless. Once read and if you agree, click on the button that says I agree. That's how you go paperless on ADP. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.